Principal of the Herbert Morrison Technical High School, Paul Adams, seeking medical attention after abduction. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Principal of the Herbert Morrison Technical High School, Paul Adams, is seeking medical care as his colleague breathed a sigh of relief that he was found alive after going missing on Sunday night. Adams was reportedly found by members of the security forces in Garlands in South St. James on Monday afternoon. I can confirm that he was found, and I can say that he sustained injuries and was taken to hospital, Jamaica Association JTA President Johnson told reporters. Earlier in the day, it had been reported that Adams, a former JTA president, had been missing since Sunday night. The news was widely circulated, eliciting worried responses from the education sector, his colleague and current past students. The JTA's Johnson was among those who issued an appeal for help in locating Adams. When Adams was found, Johnson was obviously relieved.
1,655 students plus two. Like 166.
You believe that's why you're still here?
I'm not ready yet. I ain't going anywhere. You have to fight. You have to live.
You have to live.
And you have to be kind.
Yes.
And that's it. And you get knocked.
Were you scared at any time that you were gonna die?
Couldn't be. It couldn't happen because if you're scared, then you can't fight.
So did you have to fight?
But you got to fight. All right, you see all this today now? This man, I get up now. Last night, I sit down and sleep, so. And I tree. I don't know where in the hill and go there. And make the foot, them swell up so they can't, because I have to run for the gravel. Graggy. You why? Graggy run and no easy run. You don't know where you're there, but and you're graggy, but you still a put up a fight.
When contacted, however, Johnson was tight-lipped about the details of Adams' ordeal. Social media posts have shown Adams' silver SUV in a bushy ditch as the principal thanking God and the strong contingent of police that rescued him. Unconfirmed reports are that the principal was abducted. Adams was reported missing after he failed to show up for work on Monday morning. A senior teacher at the school told reporters, who asked not to be identified by name, said that while they were left baffled by the absence, there were no interruption to the school's operation on Monday morning.
Bottle of water since they come out here.
First bottle of water.
First bottle of water. But God is good every time, and every time God is good.
So what really happened, sir?
I don't have a clue.
Bossy!
When I go to the police station, I'll get a clue.
Bossy!
Box. Every time, including now. When Mrs. say me I got dead, Mrs. me now left dead here. My friend them, I'm 1,655 students plus two, like 166.
You believe that's why you're still here?
I'm not ready yet. I ain't going anywhere. You have to fight. You have to live.
You have to live.
And you have to be kind.
Yes.
And that's it. And you get knocked.
Were you scared at any time that you were gonna die?
Couldn't be.
Adams has been the principal of the school since 2002. He served as JTA president from 2001 to 2002 and again from 2011 to 2012. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. Thanks for watching.